Hello everybody. In this video, I will try to explain you about 3D hinges. 3D hinges is a material that doors and window business use it mainly for exterior position of the door. For example, if you have a door that has outside contact, so you should apply these type of 3D hinges. According to your size of the door, you can apply 1, 2, 3, even sometimes 4 3D hinges. It will give you additional stability, additional security, and it will be more better appearance. As you see here, 3D hinge, you can just focus there and let's go this way and see the detail. This is a door profile and for frame and sash, and you can see how it looks. And let's go to other applications. As you see here, different kind of application. And different companies apply on their models. Yes, this is 3D hinges that you can apply them on your outside opening door, balcony doors, like interior, exterior doors, and all type of application you just have seen. Thank you.